In this video, you'll learn how to change your eBay password. This process involves navigating through your account settings to ensure your account remains secure and accessible only to you. Begin by opening the official eBay website in your preferred web browser. Once the site loads, locate the sign-in button typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button and you will be prompted to enter your registered email address or username along with your password. After filling in these fields, click the Sign In button to log into your account. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your eBay homepage. From here, move your cursor to the top left corner to find the main menu. Look for the option labeled My eBay and hover over it. A drop-down menu will appear where you should select account. This action will take you to the account settings section, which contains various options related to your profile and security settings. Within the account settings, locate the section titled Login and Security. This area is where you can manage your login information, including your password. Find the option labeled Change Password or simply Password. Clicking on this option will initiate the password update. The system may require you to confirm your identity, which usually involves entering your current password before proceeding to set a new one. Once you reach the password change screen, enter your new password in the designated field. It's important to create a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols, as this enhances your account security. After entering the new password, you will need to confirm it by typing it again in the verification field provided. Take a moment to double check that both entries match perfectly to avoid any issues. After confirming your new password, look for the button labeled Save or Update and click on it to apply the changes. The system will process your request and a confirmation message will appear indicating that your password has been successfully updated. From this point forward, you will need to use your new password each time you log into your eBay account. Keeping your password secure is essential for protecting your account from unauthorized access. That wraps up today's guide, where thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.